Hi, in this video we are going to see how to create a content brief on InLinks. So there are essentially two ways to create a content brief on InLinks, either via an established project within your dashboard, or you can go to this tab here, content briefs. Then you can create a content brief here by clicking on create a brief. Then you select your target market and indicate your seed keyword. So let's try this option first. So I'm going to choose the target English United States and put a keyword, for instance, best tourist attractions in New York City. So this will be for a new page on a website. So once you launch a content brief on InLinks, the InLinks NLP is going to analyze the top 10 best ranked pages in the United States for this seed keyword, and it will display the most important entities to cover within your content. Once the content brief for this keyword, best tourist attractions in New York, is ready within InLinks, you will have access to this content editor, where you or your writer can start typing in the text. And on this side here of the tool, you can have a look at what are the topics or entities you need to be covering within the content editor, so as to get a content which is optimized for entity SEO in order to reinforce the contextual relevancy of your content with regards to this seed keyword. So as we can see on this part here, there are several entities to be covered within the content. For instance, the entity of city, the topic of travel, New York City here. We should also be covering Central Park. We should also be speaking about Empire State Building. We should also here be speaking about Statue of Liberty, Manhattan, Times Square, landmark here. We also should be covering a section with regards to food. What are the gardens that we can find in New York City? We should also be covering hotels and so on and so forth. So here you can make your choice on what are the entities you should be speaking on the page. And I will shorten this video. I'm going to type in a text with regards to what are the best tourist attractions in New York City, and I will come back to show you how your content score will evolve here. So I have written a piece of content regarding the best tourist attractions in New York City within the content editor here. And as you can see, I have spoken here about Empire State Building, and with this, which has been detected as used by the tool. I have also mentioned Central Park, which you can see that it has been detected also by the tool here. And as I build my content in the content editor and covering the most important topics here, I will improve. You can see that the content score will improve here as you cover these entities, and we recommend to reach a score of 80% or better. So that is essentially how you work with the content brief. You just need to put in your seed keyword initially, and then start typing in content and cover the most important topics you see here in this part. Lastly, I just wanted to show you a different way of creating a content brief within your one of established projects within InLinks. You can go back to the project, go to the projects tab here. And here, if you have created any projects within your dashboard, you can access a project directly, and this will be set up for an existing market, whether the US, the UK, Canada, and so on. And from this part, you can create a new content brief by clicking here on New Brief. And here you can simply put your seed keyword, and then you will have the same thing as we have previously seen. So this was a brief walkthrough on how you can create a content brief on InLinks. I hope that this is useful, and hopefully I'll be speaking to you very soon.